Ani bojo Josh Cochran Dishnakas, the Kibane Shin Dolem, which means keeper of the medicine. We're going to be talking about the preamble. What's the preamble that was created by our elders on Manitoulin Island? And the preamble was to help the chiefs, our leadership, to do their opening, Chinakanegewan. And that preamble was developed to be part of our identity, but also identifies with regards to what our roles and responsibilities are and how we're going to be looking after our own environment. Mi banda enwing. Nungu down is it Anishinaabe. Debenjigit, Isan Anishinaabe, the king. The Wustene, Nedo, Azwin. Shkode, Be, a kip, a Noden. He was going to Gadene. We not then, Mopi, Shkakamangam. Debenjigit, give me none, which twin dock in Anishinaabe. Or Nagadunjin, Ninda, Nijwa Swe, Kilomadwin. Sagedwin, Dewewin, Nadendwin, Bukawin. Swadendiswin, Wikwadzwin, Minakadewin. Eventually, Kimin wana. Desben we. We not going doing. Come not in Dana, Gab Shwebok. We know Nango. Mego Eshwebok. We know Yabe. Over Shwebok. So, when we talk about the preamble, we're talking about the land of the connection we have with it. So, in regards to our territory, we never really relinquished any land to any government. We were willing to share the resources in that environment in regards to that territory that we're in. So for people to think that we given up our land or we've been conquered in regards to that land is very false because we still have a connection in regards to that land in regards to how it's managed. So it's very important for us as Nishnabé people to understand their role and responsibility of that land and never to relinquish any rights in regards to it. Because if we protect our hunting and fishing territories, those are the things that we need to protect for our children for the next 7 generations and so forth. So it's really important for people to understand that these agreements or treaties, how I identify them, is very important for us to be able to put ourselves first in regards to what we need, what we utilize as part of our sustainability.